Hey everyone, I hope you're doing fine. I'm Tom and this is the all-new Apple Watch Series 6 revealed by Apple a couple of weeks ago. Should you consider getting one? Let's find out. There are no surprises, per se, when it comes to the unboxing experience of the new Apple Watch Series 6, because it is exactly the same as the previous Series 5. And not to say that there's anything particularly wrong with that. The same kind of box, functional and very pleasing to open, the same protective, easy to open plastic wrapping, and the same circular cutouts to keep the box closed. For understandable reasons, the watch and the band are neatly packaged separately. The watch I have here is the LTE model with the 44mm space gray aluminium case accompanied with the black sport band. But there is an abundance of different types of bands to choose from, even more so this year than last. The band's styles, the colors and the materials can be customized to tickle just about anyone's fancy. Considering how easy the bands are to slide in and out, there is no reason, other than the cost, to shy away from getting the most comfortable and aesthetically pleasing band. The model I have in hand weighs 36.5 grams, which is the same as the last year's 44mm aluminium case models, even though this year's models come equipped with the additional blood oxygen level measurement sensors. The charger has not changed, which means that all the available third-party nightstand accessories are compatible with this year's model. All the sensors, including the new blood oxygen sensor that comes with this year's model, are visible in the back, but not intrusive in any imaginable way. It is difficult to state that the Series 6 is a dramatic upgrade over the last year's Series 5, because it is not. It has the same available sizes of either 40mm or 44, comes either as Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and LTE, has the same digital crown with the haptic feedback, the same 32GB of storage, and is water resistant up to 15 meters, just like the Series 5. So what is different in this year's Series 6 compared to the last year's Series 5, purely hardware-wise? Well, the battery life is slightly improved, the screen is 2.5 times brighter, and it really does feel snappier and more responsive. It also comes with the new and faster S6 64-bit dual-core processor, supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, it has the new, louder speaker, and of course, this year's big showstopper, the blood oxygen sensor. In conclusion, is the Series 6 a good smartwatch? Yes, it undoubtedly is. Is it worth buying? The answer to that question is both yes and no, and here's why. Yes, it is worth buying if you like the Apple environment and are in the market for a new smartwatch to complement your iPhone. No, not really. If you already own the Series 5 from last year, because the upgrades which came out with the Series 6 are not that big of a deal. This is my honest opinion, but of course, for those of you who already own the Series 5 and still want to get their hands on the Series 6, I understand. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not shy away from liking and subscribing. Take care, and until next time, bye.